Hello and welcome! If you've ever looked at Korean writing and thought, wow, where do I even start? Well, you're in exactly the right place. Today we're going to take the very first and, I promise, very easy step into learning the Korean alphabet together.
Now, I get it. When you first look at Korean, it can seem a little intimidating, right? All those circles and lines might look like some kind of secret code. But what if I told you it's actually one of the most logical and simple writing systems in the entire world?
And here's the secret why. The Korean alphabet, which is called Hangul, was invented by a king with one specific goal: to make it so easy that absolutely anyone could learn to read and write. It's not a system that evolved over thousands of years. It was scientifically designed to be learned fast. So, with that in mind, let's jump right in.
We're going to start with the heart of the language, the basic vowels. Think of these as the core sounds that every single word is built around, and there are just a few to get started with. Our very first vowel is this simple vertical line with a little dash. This is the ah sound, kind of like when you open your mouth for the doctor and say, ah. Listen closely. Ah, ah. Try it with me now. Ah, ah. One more time. Ah, ah. Perfect. Next up, we've got the opposite shape. This sound is a lot like the ah in the word call. It's a sound that comes from a little deeper in your throat, with your mouth nice and open. Listen. Ah, ah. Let's try that together. Ah, ah. Awesome. Again. Ah, ah.
Okay, now for a horizontal one. This is a nice and simple O sound. Think of the O in the word horse. It's a clean, round sound. Ready? O, O. Your turn. O, O. Great job.
This one points down and it makes an oo sound, just like in the word pool. Let's say it together. Oo. Again. Oo. See? You're already getting the hang of this.
And our last basic vowel for today is probably the easiest one of all. It's just a straight vertical line. This makes the E sound, like in the word see. Let's hear it. E. Your turn. E. Fantastic. Just like that, you've learned 5 core vowels.
All right, now that we have our vowel sounds, we need some consonants to go with them. Think of these as the other half of our building blocks. Let's check them out.
Our first consonant looks like this. It makes a soft G sound, like the G in gate. Listen. G. G. Let's try it together. G. G. Now, sometimes it might sound a little more like a K, but for now, just think of it as a soft G.
This next one should be super familiar. It's a simple N sound, just like the N in name. Ready?
N. N.
Your turn.
N. N.
Simple, right? This square shape here represents the M sound. You can almost imagine it's the shape of your lips when you say, mmm. It's the M in moon. Let's say it out loud. Mmm. One more time. Mmm.
And our last consonant for today is this one. It's a simple S sound, like the S in sky. Listen. S. Your turn to repeat. S. Excellent work. You now have both vowels and consonants. You know what that means, right?
It's time for the best part. This is where the magic really happens. We're going to take the letters we just learned and combine them to actually start reading. Are you ready for this?
Okay, so here's the key. In Korean, letters fit together into neat little syllable blocks, almost like puzzle pieces. Let's take our consonant giok, the G sound. Now let's add our vowel ah, the ah sound. When we combine them, they form this block, ga, and it sounds exactly how you'd expect. Ga plus ah makes ga. See? It's that logical. And just like that, you can already read both of these. Seriously. On the left, we have ga plus ah, ga. And on the right, we have our N sound plus that same ah vowel. So what does that make? Exactly. Na. Listen to the difference. Ga, na. You're actually reading.
Let's keep that confidence going. Look at these two. On the left, we have the S consonant and the O vowel. Together, that's so. On the right, we have the M consonant and the EO vowel. That makes mo. You are officially reading Korean syllables. This is amazing. Okay, this is the moment we've been building towards. We've learned the letters, we've made syllables. Now let's put those syllables together to read a complete 2-syllable word.
Let's just break it down. The first part is the syllable we already know, ga. The second part is our S consonant with the U vowel, su. So we have ga, su, gasu, and gasu means singer. Congratulations, you have just successfully read your very first word in Korean. That's incredible.
So take a moment and let that sink in. In just a few minutes, you went from looking at unfamiliar characters to reading a real Korean word. The system is designed to be learned, and you've just proven you can do it. The only question left is, what will you learn to read and say next? Thanks for joining me on this first step.